Okay, we have a retinol face moisturizer from Amazon. Let's talk about this packaging. I love this color. I love the box that it comes in. This is by Enna Skin, but it is available on Amazon. So this is a collagen hyaluronic acid moisturizer. But let's just do a little first impressions on the hand. So, ooh, we got a good amount of product in there. I might be able to just swipe what's on top. Yes. We'll do a little bit more. So, the scent is jasmine. That smells delightful. It's nice and like creamy. So, I love moisturizing my hands and my neck, not just my face. But look at that moisture. It feels good. I definitely think it's so important to take care of your skin, especially if you have tattoos like me. As you can see, I stay out of the sun, wear my sunscreen, love my moisturizer, but this stuff feels great. Put it on neck. It smells like a garden, but in a very light and dainty way. It is not overwhelming at all. So first impressions, love. Love, love, love. So I will continue to use this and give you guys an update to let you know how it changes over time, because you always want to make sure you are like using a product and not using a ton of other ones so that you can focus on how this product works for you. So that's the retinol cream. Let me know if you guys have tried this. I will provide the Amazon link in the description as always.
Hey everyone, it's me Val. I just needed to hop on here super fast and show you guys my new retinol cream. This is just amazing. It stimulates skin cell renewal. It hydrates your face so much. It helps with dullness, reduces a lot of that dullness feeling. It helps being so glowy and shiny and beautiful. It's so amazing. So let's open this baby girl together and then I'll show you guys how I apply it. So, and packaging, just so beautiful. I love it. It comes with a little thank you card. Oh my god, I love this. This is so cute. Like a little explanation book, info book, whatever. Look at her. Oh my god. Amazing. Lovely. We love it. I love the feeling of opening up a new bottle. This is weird, but I smell them. And this is just pure cleanness. Cleanliness. Clean smell. That's so soft. Let's try it out. Okay, so I just took my makeup off. I washed and prepped my skin. So it's perfect time for the cream. And oh, that feels so good. And always apply it in upward strokes. Just upwards. And kind of avoiding the eye area. There is no need really for the eyes. This is gonna look amazing.